Kalyan, an emerging suburb settled on the diameter of iconic metro city of Mumbai. The city with golden heritage showcases the monuments of past in every nook and corner. Around year 2000, Kalyan saw a never-seen-before growth in urban civilization. Along with the old settlements like Rambagh, Kala Talao and Kolsewadi, new city pockets like Khadakpada, Kachore, Gauripada, Umbarde and Barve started emerging as residential locations. Due to the whirlpool of infrastructural developments, even these city pockets got an affirmative nod from the home seekers. The major factors responsible for the rise of Kalyan as a residential preference are its close proximity to the Mumbai-Nasik highway, Thane city's fast growth towards Bhiwandi, accessibility of new international airport via Sheel Node, and last but not the least, its superb rail connectivity with Mumbai CST. Because of such vital elements, Kalyan has always been preferred by well-educated and cultured residents. Dynamic Buildtech and Triveni infrastructure present a fantastic residential opportunity in the form of Dynamic Ultima at Umbarde. The biggest benefit of Dynamic Ultima is its fantastic location that facilitates your day-to-day living. The list starts with the ease of commuting thanks to share autos and KDMC bus service. A number of reputed colleges and schools ensure that your kids get nothing but the best on education front. The health of entire family is in safe hands due to the presence of trusted medical institutes, pathology labs and diagnostic centers. Leisure and entertainment get a whole new meaning with multiplexes like Cinemax and Fame Ad Lab round the corner. Dynamic Ultima enjoys the neighborhood of premium clubs, spas and wellness centers. With the presence of all leading global brands from various fields, Kalyan's Dynamic Ultima promises to be an address of repute and convenience. As we approach the building, you are welcomed by the grand entrance lobby. Branded lifts ensure a smooth intra-building travel. Your home welcomes you with decorative main door. Let's take a look at the Ultima home. The aesthetics of living room are enhanced with decorative false ceiling. The other details are vitrified flooring for living, bedrooms, kitchen and passage. Powder-coated aluminium sliding windows with reflectosol glass. All doors with wooden or marble frames. Wooden flush doors for all rooms except kitchen. Internal wall finished with gypsum plaster and distemper paint. Granite top cooking platform with SS sink. Granite service platform with designer glazed tiles. Concealed copper wiring with good quality modular electrical fitting with ELCB. Branded CP bathroom fittings. Concealed plumbing in WC. Designer wall tiles up to full height in WC and bathrooms. Telephone point and AC points in each bedroom. Sliding windows with mosquito net in living and master bedroom. As you step in the outdoors, beautifully landscaped garden greets you. Special children play area has been designed with everything that children need for recreational activities. Jog through the beautifully laid out jogging track that stretches along the property. Clubhouse, a place that invites you to enjoy the taste of the good life. Stay fit with a fitness regime at your own gym that assists you in getting a healthy lifestyle and a toned physique. Enjoy the exciting indoor games. Features for your safety. CCTV monitoring in public area. 24/7 professional security system with CCTV at important places in the complex. Advanced firefighting system. Voice conference with security. Video surveillance TV out for each flat. Wireless burglary alarm. We care for the environment and it shows in our rainwater harvesting plant. Power-saving features include power backup facility for lifts and building common lights, power backup inverter in each flat, solar water heater system for 100% power saving, garden lighting with auto on and off. A complete life is all about fulfilling the demands of all life's essentials equally. At Dynamic Ultima, you have an address that not only serves as a satiating life ingredient but also